That's not a burp. You wanna see a real burp?
Sure, Ben, why not? That's really disgusting.